Your business does not need more leads. It needs a better way to talk to them. And what if your sales team never sleep, never got tired, and never missed a lead? So today I'm going to show you a follow-up system that closes the deals without you touching your phone. See, it all starts here. Your customer receives this highly converting solar service templates. It's clean, it's professional, and most importantly, it's interesting. Now notice this one quick button at the bottom, book free consultation. The second I click that button, the magic happens. I don't have to wait for a representative. The chatbot takes over the conversation instantly with a message as great choice. Let's book your free solar consultation. First, may I know your full name? I'll enter my name here, smart user. The bot asks for my address. It is visible that how smartly the bot is asking me all my information. Once I send the address, it responds with the messages, what type of solar installation are you looking for, including one button in the form of list. Once I click on it, it will provide me the types of solar installation. Here I am going with residential solar. Now the bot asks for my average monthly bill. I'll send the bill to. After that, it is asking me for my contact number. So I sent one test contact number. And that's it. You will see I have just received a personalized request received confirmation message from the bot that summarizes every single details I just entered, such as the name as a smart user, location, installation type as residential solar, exact same that I have selected from the list, monthly bill, and my contact number too. So this is the exact automated WhatsApp chatbot we are going to build today using Pabbly Chatflow. But before we proceed, I have something extremely valuable for you. If you also want to create this type of amazing automated WhatsApp chatbot for your own business, then go and purchase Pabbly tool by using my coupon code MEHYT and get an exclusive discount on both yearly and lifetime Pabbly plans. So not only just chatbot, with the help of this tool, you can create an automated WhatsApp AI assistant, broadcast messages, and many more. So go and purchase it. Now without wasting any time, let's start the creation of this chatbot. Alright, so this is the flow builder page of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create and manage static chatbots seamlessly using a no-code, user-friendly drag and drop builder. If you are an existing user of Pabbly, that is perfect, but if you are not, then go for pabbly.com/chatflow and done the sign up process. And once you do this, you will receive 100 free credits every month to explore the software. After doing the sign up process, you will reach the dashboard of Pabbly Chatflow, and then you just have to come in this flows feature that are present on the left hand side menu, and this flow builder page is going to be appear in front of you. See, for creating this type of WhatsApp chatbot, you have to design a chatbot flow inside Pabbly Chatflow. So this is how the flows look like. This is the same flow we are going to build today. Now as we are creating a new flow, so I am clicking on this plus add flow button. See, this is the starting point of your flow name as trigger, but before this, at first you have to give the name to your flow that I am entering as this follow-up system closes more deals while you sleep. Here I have given this name by my choice, but you can give it completely based on the chatbot you are creating. After that, I'm clicking on the save button. With the help of this button, your flow will be saved and updated. Now I'll give you a quick overview of these two options, messages and actions. Under these options, you will see different buttons are there. We will use these buttons in the creation of our flow. Now let's get started. At first, you have to select the trigger event. When you click on it, it will provide you multiple types of trigger events. I am creating this flow with the help of templates, so I am selecting this. After that, I am clicking on this choose template button and selecting the solar lead generation template. See, I have already created this template before. For creating this, you just have to go in this templates feature. This is the template feature of Pabbly Chatflow. Here you can create multiple types of WhatsApp templates for your different type of businesses. Templates are used for those type of conversation that were started by your site. Is used for easy access and scale communication. I have already created some templates before, and this is the solar lead generation template that we are going to use in this video. And watch this video till the end, because I am going to reveal a powerful secret that how you can send this highly converting template message to 100 or even thousands of your users by just one click. So keep here. For creating a new template, you have to click on the plus add template button. We have already created created a separate detailed video of how you can create a template inside Pabbly Chatflow account. Check the description below for the video link. Now we will go back to our flow. Here I have selected the template and you will see this template includes one button by the name of book free consultation. Now whenever the user will click on this book free consultation, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to share their full name. So for that I am clicking on this actions option and adding one ask question button from here. After that, entering a question in this enter message box as great choice. Let's book your free solar consultation. First, may I know your full name? For that, I am selecting the contact custom field as full name and the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. Now, for creating this contact custom field, you have to click on the settings option and go in this contact custom fields option. It is a user specific parameters for managing contact details like name, email, contact number, and many more. In simple terms, contact custom fields are used for sending personalized messages to the users completely based on their input. Next, I am selecting the format as text, as name should always in the format of text. After that, the number of attempts. Number of attempts is defined as how many times you give retry attempts to your user for answering this question. It also works like this, as here I have selected the format as text, but the user will reply to my bot in the format of number or any other format except text. Then on those type of cases, we have to increase the number of attempts for our user so that they can re-answer this question. But whenever we increase the number of attempts, we have to write the validation message in this enter message box. Here I am giving the number of attempts as 0, so there is no requirement of any validation message. After that, I am linking this circle which are present in front of book free consultation to this question. Now it is connected. Now whenever the user will share their full name, then my bot will ask them to send their address. So for that, I am again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding one more ask question button from here, entering a question, selecting the contact custom field as address. After that, the format as any. The steps of adding questions in your flow will be the same. So you can add as much question as you want. Here my objective is only to teach you how you can create a WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. Now whenever the user will share the address, then my bot will reply to them by sending them this message that includes one option in the form of list. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one list button from here. As you can see, this list now is divided in 3 parts, named as header, body and footer, where at first you have to enter the header in this enter header box that I am entering as perfect. After that, the message as what type of solar installation are you looking for. Here I am not adding any footer, so I am leaving this blank. After that, I am clicking on this H section button and entering a section title as solar types. Next, for adding list of types of options, you just have to click on this plus add items button. Here I am adding only 3 types of solar installation, but you can add more. The process of adding items in the list will be the same. Here I have added as residential solar, commercial solar and industrial solar. You can also enter description in the center description boxes if you want to. Here I haven't added. Now whenever the user will select the solar type, then my bot will reply to them. But before that, I am going to the setup of custom field tag. So for that, I am clicking on this actions option and adding button is set custom field by adding this box here, where I am going to select the contact custom field as solar type, and in this enter value box I am going to write this, that is residential solar, because I set this contact custom field not specifically for the solar type. After that, I am linking this to this. Here I have set this contact custom field specifically for the solar type. Now I am going to the setup of 2 more contact custom field, not for each of them. Here I have added, as you can see, I use the same contact custom field in each of these, not as a solar type, but only change the value completely based on the input that I have entered in this enter title box. You also have to make sure that the input you have entered in this enter title box is the same you have to write in this enter value box. At the end, this will help your bot to provide customized message to your users completely based on their selected choice. Now whenever the user will select the solar type, then my bot will reply to them by asking them to send their monthly bill and their contact number. So for that, I'm again doing the same that I have done here, means I am adding 2 more question node in this flow. Here I have added now when all these communication will done, then at last my bot will provide one customized request receive message to the user, and that message will be personalized for each of them, means that includes all their provided input, just like this. So for setting up this type of message, I am adding one text button from here and entering a respond message in this enter message box as your free solar consultation request has been received successfully. Request summary, name with dollar symbol, full name, address, solar type, monthly bill, and the contact number. As you can see that I have used the dollar symbol before some fields because it is a contact custom field symbol, and with the help of this symbol automatically the user's inputs will come. Here in this step, whenever the user will share their full name, then with the help of this contact custom field full name, the bot will automatically capture the user's provided response and mention their name in this place. So this is how contact custom field works. After that I am linking this circle to this. Now our flow is completed. So this is how easily you can create a chatbot flow by using Pabbly Chatflow. After the completion of your flow, you have to click on the save button so that your flow will be saved and updated. Now I am going to reveal the powerful secret that how you can send this highly converting WhatsApp templates to your thousands plus users by just one click. So for that you have to go in this broadcast feature that are present on the left hand side menu. See, this is the broadcast feature of Pabbly Chatflow. With the help of this, you can easily send WhatsApp messages to your predefined list of contacts. It is perfect for announcement, promotions, and updates. I have already created a separate detailed video of how you can broadcast these templates to your multiple contacts. If you want it, then comment it. I will share the video link with all of you guys. So now I think you will understand how helpful this single tool is. And not only this, you can create multiple types of automated WhatsApp chatbot by using Pabbly Chatflow. I have also shared the link of this flow in the description below. You can check it out. So what are you waiting for? Go and try this amazing tool called Pabbly Chatflow. Lastly, a quick reminder about the coupon code MEHYT. Don't forget it while purchasing the Pabbly subscription and grabbing exclusive offers. So this is all for today. I'll see you in the next video. So thank you for watching this video. Not only this, you can create multiple types of WhatsApp chatbot with the help of Pabbly Chatflow. If you have any doubts, then you can email us at sales@pabbly.com. If you want to know the price details about Pabbly Chatflow, then you can visit www.pabbly.com/chatflow #pricing. If you like this video, then please give it a thumbs up and also subscribe our YouTube channel.